students, welcome back in electronics lecture in SGMSP channel. Okay, so we have completed very big chapter, that is the study of components, in the previous lectures. So today we are going to start a new chapter, and very first chapter of your syllabus is sources of electrical power and network theorems. Okay, sources of electrical power and network theorems. So which type of sources are there? AC source, DC source, electric source, discrete source. So all that sources we have to see first. Therefore it is given a very first chapter that I have discussed all these things in a introduction lecture. Very first lecture that of YouTube that I have taken, and in that lecture I have introduced you all these things, but as a part of syllabus we will again take all those points here. Okay, so first, sources of electrical power. Electrical power means what? Sources means what sources? Current source is there, voltage source is there, potential difference is there. All those things are what? Current is measured in which? Current is measured in ampere, voltage is measured in volt, resistor is measured in R. All these things we have taken already, but as a part of syllabus it will take one by one. Okay, so network theorems means what? There are so many types of theorems: Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, Kirchhoff's law, okay, Kirchhoff's voltage law, Kirchhoff's current law. And network theorem means what? Yes, superposition theorems, Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorems are there. And by using this theorem, how the electronic circuit is become easy to find out its output. Therefore, all these theorems are introduced in your syllabus. So, first of all, we will see what is electricity. Yes, what is electricity? All of you know electricity म्हणजे काय माहिती आपल्याला. We use electricity at our home. But electricity म्हणजे त्याचे डेफिनेशन कसं लिहिणार तुम्ही? What is electricity? Electricity is an invisible force. कसला फोर्स आहे? इनविजिबल. आपण बघू शकतो का त्याला? नाही. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी येताना दिसते का आपल्याला? नो, वी कॅनॉट सी विथ आवर आईज. देअरफॉर इट इज इनविजिबल. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अ इनविजिबल फोर्स विच गिव्स, येस, काय काय देते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? विच गिव्स हीट. हीट देते म्हणजे आपण इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा वापर करून काय करू शकतो? पाणी गरम करू शकतो. विच गिव्स लाईट, okay, and which gives motions from one point to another. So all these things gives the electricity, and it many more things it gives. For example, its physical effects of the electricity. Physical effects of the electricity means what? Current, voltage and potential difference means resistance. Okay, so electricity is what? It is a invisible force. Definition कसं लिहिणार तुम्ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटीची? Electricity is what? It is a invisible force which gives light. Yes, which gives light, heat and motions and many more physical effects. Physical effects are what? Its resistance, yes, its capacitance, resistance, current and voltage. Resistance, current and voltage are its what? Its physical effects. Okay, so next is what is current? That all of we know what is current, but as a part of syllabus we have to see all those things one by one serially, or we have to write them. आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे त्या पेपरमध्ये. करंट म्हणजे काय आपल्याला माहिती आहे. व्हॉट इज करंट? करंट आपण यूज करतो. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी म्हणजे काय आपल्याला माहिती आहे, आपण यूज करतो ते. बट आपल्याला काय करायचं ते पेपरमध्ये लिहायचं आहे. सो हाऊ टू राईट ऑल दोज पॉईंट ॲज अ पार्ट ऑफ युअर सिलेबस, ॲज अ पार्ट ऑफ युअर टॉपिक. इट इज इंट्रोड्यूस इन युअर टॉपिक, देन यू हॅव टू राईट. तुम्हाला लिहावं लागणार. की जर विचारले करंट म्हणजे काय, तर असं आपण तिथे सांगू शकत नाही करंट म्हणजे काय आम्हाला माहिती आहे पण लिहिता येत नाही असं नाही ना, पण लिहिता पण यायला पाहिजे. देअरफॉर व्हॉट इज करंट? करंट इज नथिंग बट इट इज व्हॉट. येस, व्हॉट इज करंट? सांगा बरं. करंट म्हणजे काय? इट इज रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज is called as the current. Rate of flow of charge is called as the current. Current म्हणजे काय असतो? What is current? Rate of flow of charge is called as the current. Is called as current, and current is indicated by I, and it is measured in ampere. Current is indicated by I and it is measured in ampere, that is A. Okay, how many ampere current is there? How many volt current आपण म्हणत नाही. How many ampere? So current चं unit काय आहे? Ampere आहे. It is measured in ampere. Okay, so this current is nothing but rate of flow of charge is called as the current. But what is charge? Charge म्हणजे काय मग? Yes, what is charge? Rate of flow of charge is called as current. Charge जेवढा फ्लो होत असतो त्याला आपल्याला तेवढा आपण करंट म्हणतो. तर इट इज we call it as a current or it is measured in ampere. So you know what is charge? For charge we have to say that charge is nothing but it is a quantity of electricity in the circuit. It is what? Quantity of charge म्हणजे काय? What is charge? It is the quantity of electricity. Quantity of electricity in circuit. Quantity of electricity in a circuit when 1 ampere current, when 1 ampere current flow in 1 second. When 1 ampere current flow in 1 second is called as the electric charge, and that charge is measured in coulomb. That is measured in coulomb, and that is indicated by yes C. Charge is measured in coulomb, that is indicated by C. And what is current? It is rate of flow of what? Rate of flow of charge is called as the current, and current is measured in ampere, that is indicated by A. And what is charge? Charge is nothing but quantity of electricity in a circuit. Quantity of electricity in a circuit. What is electricity? Electricity is nothing but it is a invisible force. All of you understand? And the current म्हणजे काय? Current is nothing but rate of flow of charge is called as the current. And what is charge? Charge is nothing but rate of flow of electricity. And what is electricity? Electricity is nothing but it is a invisible force which gives the motion, which gives the light, which gives the heat, and which also gives the physical effects, that is a current, voltage and resistor. It's the electricity. All of you understand? All these are depends on each other. Current is depend on charge, charge is depend on electricity. So first we see the electricity, then current, then charge. Okay. So next we have to see is the potential difference. We have to see the next is what? Potential difference. Potential difference. Or before going to potential difference, every potential have. Potential म्हणजे काय? Yes. What is potential? कुठल्या पण चार्ज किती पोटेन्शियल आहे त्याच्यात बघू असं म्हणतो आपण. म्हणजे त्याच्यात जेवढी क्षमता आहे त्याची किती ताकद आहे. सो एव्हरी चार्ज कुठला पण चार्ज असू दे, पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज असू दे किंवा निगेटिव्ह चार्ज असू दे, इलेक्ट्रॉन असू दे, प्रोटॉन असू दे, काय पण असू दे. सो इट हॅव इट्स ओन पोटेन्शियल, त्याची स्वतःची एक ताकद असते टू फ्लो इन द सर्किट. ओके, each and every charge have its own potential to flow in the circuit, whether it is in terms of attraction or whether in terms of repulsion, whether in terms of attraction or in terms of repulsion. Okay, so every charge have its potential to attract the or to repel towards the charge. Okay, so when it will be attract, when similar charge will be there, it will be attraction, isn't it or not? It is the repulsion. When opposite charge are there, then it will be attract. When similar charge are there, then it will be the repulsion. So every charge have its own potential to move in the circuit, whether it potential moving may be attraction or it may be it is what, repulsion. So every charge have potential of attraction and repulsion. Attraction and repulsion. I am writing all these points because you have to write all these points in your notebook. This is the short points. It will help you while studying. Attraction and repulsion. So every charge have its own potential to move in the circuit, whether it may be attraction or may be repulsion. मला माहिती आहे attraction कधी असतो आणि repulsion कधी असतो. When similar charge are comes together, it will be repel, and when opposite charge are there, it will be attract. So next point is our potential difference. What is potential difference? It is difference. It says that it is a difference. Okay, which difference it is? Difference between potentials. Potentials means what? Charge. Which type of charge? There are positive charge and negative charge. So it is difference between 2 points. Difference between 2 points. Then it points difference between 2 points which is having voltage, and both have the different charge. Okay, definition कसं लिहिणार? Difference of potential between 2 points and conductors. Definition कसं लिहायचं? Difference between 2 points of conductors carrying 1 ampere current and 1 volt and voltage 1 ampere current and power of 1 watt and power of 1 watt. Definition कसं लिहायचं? Potential difference. See how to write the definition of this potential difference. Potential difference is nothing but difference between 2 points. 2 points चा difference त्याला म्हणायचं potential difference. When potential difference is nothing but the difference between 2 points when circuit having the current of 1 ampere and power of 1 watt. And power means what? Power means voltage and current both. P is equal to I into R. As to I into R असतो. ठीक आहे. तो पॉवर म्हणजे सर्किटमध्ये किती रेजिस्टन्स आहे, किती करंट आहे आणि किती व्होल्टेज आहे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द पॉवर. सो पॉवर इज मेजर्ड इन वॅट. पॉवर इज ऑलवेज मेजर्ड इन वॅट. सो 1 वॅट पॉवर असेल, 1 अँपिअर करंट असेल आणि त्यात 2 पॉईंटमध्ये, तर त्याचा डिफरन्स जर मेजर करायचे असेल तर दॅट डिफरन्स इज कॉल्ड ॲज द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. व्हॉट इज द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स? कसं लिहायचं आपण? पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स इज नथिंग बट डिफरन्स बिटवीन 2 पॉईंट्स ऑफ द कंडक्टर विच कॅरी 1 अँपिअर करंट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. नेक्स्ट इज व्हॉट दॅट वी नो इज रेझिस्टर. रेझिस्टर म्हणजे काय ते आपल्याला माहीत पाहिजे. रेझिस्टर इज नथिंग बट विच अपोजेस द फ्लो ऑफ करंट. आपल्याला सगळ्यांना त्याचं डेफिनेशन माहिती आहे. विच अपोजेस इन द सर्किट विच have the property which opposes the flow of current and which is also used to limits the current. करंटला लिमिट करण्यासाठी पण रेझिस्टन्स यूज होतो, which also used to limits the current when applied voltage. When voltage is applied. When voltage is applied, which opposes the flow of current and which is also used to limits the current when voltage is applied. Okay, so this is what our resistor. What is resistor? That we know resistor is the which opposes the flow of current and which also used to limit the current when voltage is applied, and that resistor have unit is what? Ohm, and symbol of ohm is like this. It is measuring ohms. Okay, so ohm symbol is what? Like this. Okay, if voltage is resistance between 2 points of the conductor, the definition कसं लिहायचं? How to write the definition? How to write the definition of the resistor? The resistor between 2 points. Resistor between 2 points when current of 1 ampere and voltage of 1 volt is applied. It's called as the resistors. Okay, what is resistor? It when potential difference or resistance between 2 points of the conductor when potential difference of 1 volt produce 1 ampere current. When 2 points when potential difference of 1 volt produce 1 ampere current. When voltage of 1 volt is applied, when it produces the 1 ampere current is called as the definition कसं द्यायचा? The resistance between 2 points when potential difference of 1 volt will be produced when 1 volt is applied, then 1 ampere. 1 volt voltage दिले तर 1 ampere current produce करणार आणि त्या दोन पॉईंट्समध्ये रेझिस्टरचे 2 पॉईंट्समध्ये सपोज एक सर्किट असेल, पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह इथे एक रेझिस्टर असेल, त्या रेझिस्टरचे दोन्ही पण पॉईंटमध्ये याचे जो डिफरन्स असेल इथे आणि इथे या 2 पॉईंटमध्ये जे डिफरन्स असेल त्याला म्हणायचं डिफरन्स बिटवीन 2 पॉईंट्स ऑफ द रेझिस्टर. वेन 1 एम्पियर वेन 1 वोल्ट इज अप्लाइड, 1 वोल्ट इथे दिला असेल तर तो किती करंट प्रोड्यूस करणार? 1 एम्पियर करंट प्रोड्यूस करणार. इफ 1 वोल्ट इज गिवन देन इट प्रोड्यूस 1 एम्पियर करंट between the 2 points of the resistor is called as the definition of resistor. Okay, all of you understand up till here? Okay, so what is V is equal to then R into R. V is what? Voltage applied. I is what? Current. Voltage in volt, current in ampere, and R is what? Resistance in ohm. And this is called as Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Okay, what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is nothing but V is equal to I into R, and it can also be written like this: I is equal to V upon R. And this also can write like this when I is equal to V into V upon R, or V equal to IR is the Ohm's law. So V is what? Voltage or potential difference between two points. V is what? It is the potential difference in volt. Is what? Instead of voltage we can write it here the PD. PD means potential difference in volt. This potential difference we can write it here the PD. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहून घ्या. PD म्हणजेच काय? पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. इट इज नथिंग बट द PD, पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. and potential difference in volt. V म्हणजे काय? potential difference in volt. I is the current and R is the resistance. So this is what Ohm's law. All of you understand what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is nothing but what? When one potential difference is applied, then it produces 1 ampere current and 1 ohm resistance. It is called as the Ohm's law. So one thing that we are going to see here is the how the current flow in the circuit. Is the flow of current in the circuit, and what characteristics should be considered. If current flow like this, then that current is called as the conventional current. Conventional current. Which current? It is called as the conventional current. Is positive and negative the circuit. If current flow like this, is called exactly flow of current is like this, and if it is considered, it is called as the conventional current. So what is conventional current? Conventional current is nothing but current or voltage have the property, so it moves towards the one terminal of the transistor, one terminal of the resistor and second terminal of the potentiometer. Suppose current flow from positive of the battery, this flow of current is in this direction, see, positive of the battery, then first terminal of the resistor, then resistor पासून पुढे जाणार negative terminal of the battery, negative terminal of the battery. This flow of current is called as the conventional current. What is conventional current? Conventional current is nothing but when it flow from positive of the battery and through resistor and again negative of the battery, then it is called as the conventional current. Current, whenever current is or voltage is applied to the circuit, it have three characteristics considered in the circuit. कुठल्या पण सर्किट असू दे, जेव्हा तुम्ही पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स अप्लाइड करणार आहे त्याचे तीन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स असणार आहे. जेव्हा तुम्ही व्होल्टेज देणार पहिल्यांदा ते काय करणार आहे तर व्होल्टेज इज कन्सिडर इन द सर्किट, त्याचा आपल्याला व्होल्टेज मेजर करावं लागेल. सेकंड आपल्याला काय करावं लागणार आहे, करंट इज मेजर्ड इन द सर्किट, करंट. अँड थर्ड कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स असणार आहे तो resistance is measured in the circuit. These three factors will affect on the electric circuit. कुठल्या पण इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट असेल, इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट असेल त्याच्यात काय असणार आहे, जेव्हा आपण व्होल्टेज अप्लाइड करणार आहे तर त्याचा आपल्याला करंट बघावं लागणार आहे, त्याचा व्होल्टेज बघावं लागणार आहे आणि त्याचा रेजिस्टन्स बघावं लागणार आहे. ओके, सो दीज थ्री आर द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एनी इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट. Okay, so what are the characteristics of this electric circuit? We have to see the source of potential difference म्हणजेच काय, voltage. Voltage म्हणजेच काय, it is the source of potential difference. Okay, then next we have to see the complete path of current flow. Okay, complete path of current flow, complete path of current flow means what? We have to consider the current, and the last we have to consider the resistance generating between heat limiting amount of current and all those things. Right? Resistance means resistance, what the resistance does, it generates the heat, it limits the current, दॅट ऑल दोज पॉईंट हॅव टू कन्सिडर. म्हणजे सर्किटमध्ये काय काय होतो, करंट जनरेट झाल्यानंतर रेझिस्टन्स काय करतो, त्याला लिमिट करतो का, जर लिमिट केला नाही तर काय होणार आहे, सगळं सर्किट बंद होणार आहे. मग करंट लिमिटिंग रेझिस्टन्स आपण वापरले जातात. मीन्स इट नॉट अलाउ द करंट टू फ्लो, इट अपोजेस द फ्लो ऑफ करंट, ते मला माहिती आहे. म्हणून काय करणार तो, इट लिमिट करणार, करंटला फ्लो होत देणार नाही. जर जास्त फ्लो होत असेल तर, जर जास्त फ्लो व्हायला दिलं तर काय होणार आहे, सर्किट बंद होणार आहे. सो फॉर प्रोटेक्टिंग द circuit resistors are used because resistor have the property to opposes the flow of current or it limits the current. ओके, कुठल्या पण सर्किटला जर जेव्हा सप्लाय पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स दिलं जाणार आहे ॲट दॅट टाईम ते 3 पॉईंट्स आपल्याला कन्सिडर करावं लागणार आहे. त्याचा पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स सोर्सचा आणि परत त्याचं करंट किती फ्लो होणार आहे आणि रजिस्टर काय करणार आहे, त्याला लिमिट करणार आहे का नाही करणार आहे. ऑल दिस 3 पॉईंट्स वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर इन एनी इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट. ओके, एवढंच फक्त बघायचं आहे. तर कन्व्हेन्शनल करंट म्हणजे काय, जेव्हा पॉझिटिव्ह ऑफ द बॅटरीपासून रजिस्टरमध्ये जाणार, रजिस्टरपासून निगेटिव्ह ऑफ द बॅटरीला जाणार, त्याला म्हणायचं कन्व्हेन्शनल करंट. ओके, सो करंटची डायरेक्शन निगेटिव्हपासून आरपासून काय असणार आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह असणार. सो this is the flow of current. So conventional current is nothing but when positive of the battery, the resistor, the negative of the battery is called as the conventional current. Any current have the this property. All of you understand up till here? This is the introduction part of, therefore it is given very first chapter. First chapter of your syllabus is what? It is the sources of electrical power and network theorems. I have taken all these points in your introduction lecture. Okay, ohms law घेतलेले आपण, अँड रजिस्टर म्हणजे काय, कॅपॅसिटर म्हणजे काय, डायोड म्हणजे काय, हे सगळं आपण घेतलेलं आहे. करंट एम्पियर म्हणजे मेजर करतो, दॅट आय हॅव टोल्ड यू. कोलम्स युनिट काय आहे, सी कोलम. कोलम म्हणजे चार्ज हे चार्जचा युनिट कोलम आहे ते सांगितले. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी म्हणजे काय, AC सिग्नल, DC सिग्नल, दॅट वी हॅव टू सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये. आपल्याला काय बघायचं, अल्टरनेटिंग करंट म्हणजे काय, डायरेक्ट करंट म्हणजे काय, AC म्हणजे काय, DC म्हणजे काय, सगळं आपल्याला नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये बघायचं. So in this lecture only remember that what is electricity. पहिल्यांदा आपण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्समध्ये एंट्री केल्यानंतर फर्स्ट आपल्याला काय बघावं लागणार, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी म्हणजे काय ते बघायचा. त्याच्यानंतर चार्ज असतो इलेक्ट्रिसिटीमध्ये, तो चार्ज म्हणजे काय होतो, मग चार्ज जास्त फ्लो झालं तर काय तयार होतो, करंट तयार होतो. तर करंट म्हणजे काय, करंट इज नथिंग बट रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज इज कॉल्ड एज द current. And what is charge? Charge is nothing but rate of flow of electricity. And what is electricity? Electricity is nothing but it is an invisible force which generate heat, motion, and what we have written here, light. Okay, so this is what electricity. Next we have to see the scale. Scale मध्ये तुम्हाला हे पण सांगितलं इंट्रोडक्शन लेक्चरला. इज 10⁻³ असेल तर काय असणार आहे, 10⁻⁶ असेल तर काय असणार आहे, 10⁻⁹ असेल तर काय असणार आहे, 10⁻12 असेल. तसंच 10⁻³ असेल तर 10⁻⁻6 असेल तर 10⁻⁹ and 10⁻⁻12 असेल तर काय असणार आहे. तर दिस इज वॉट, दिस इज के, मीन्स किलो असणार आहे. दिस इज वॉट 10⁻⁶ इज द मेगा, कॅपिटल M असणार आहे. 10⁻⁹ इज द नॅनो असणार आहे, दॅट इज N. अँड 10⁻12 म्हणजे टेरा असणार आहे, दॅट इज कॅपिटल T. अँड हियर 10⁻³ म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, मिली असणार आहे, दॅट इज M. अँड 10⁻⁻6 म्हणजे मायक्रो असणार आहे, मायक्रो. अँड 10⁻⁻9 मीन्स वॉट, इट इज 10⁻⁹ ला काय असणार आहे, नॅनो असणार आहे. आणि ते 10⁻⁹ ला गीगा असणार आहे, 10⁻⁹ ला गीगा असणार आहे. आणि ते 10⁻⁹ ला नॅनो असणार आहे. नॅनो मीन्स स्मॉल n. आणि हे 10⁻⁻12 ला इथे काय असणार आहे, तर पिको असणार आहे. -12 ला पिको असणार आहे, तिथे +12 ला टेट्रा असणार आहे. दिस इज द स्केल दॅट यू हॅव टू नो. आपण हे इंट्रोडक्शन लेक्चरमध्ये घेतलेलं आहे. 10⁻³ असेल तर काय लिहायचं, किलो लिहायचं. 10⁻⁶ असेल तर मेगा लिहायचं. व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट, रजिस्टरची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करताना आपण बघितले -9 का घेतलेले, -6 का घेतले, तिथे मायक्रो होता, मायक्रो फॅरेड. कॅपॅसिटरची व्हॅल्यू बघितली आपण मायक्रोफॅरेड. ओके, मायक्रो म्हणजे काय मायनस, मिली फॅरेड म्हणजे -3. ओके, सो all these things that we have also are already taken in our introduction lecture, but as a part of your syllabus all these points you have to write. What is the charge, what is electricity, write the definition of electricity, write the definition of current, charge, potential difference, resistance, all those things you have to write if it is asked. Okay, in the particular form how you have to write. What is Ohm's law? It is a very important law. Ohm's law is what? V is equal to I into R. Okay, all that networks theorems that we have to see in the next lecture. After completing this we will see the AC source and DC source. All of you understand this? I will stop it here. Thank you.